This is your A+ paper for week number 1. Go ahead and write your name at the top, nice and neatly so I can read it. And today we're going to be printing all upper and lowercase letters. Here are the directions. Write the upper and lowercase letters that are missing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what is already written and then what you need to write on the line. So they've given you a capital J. You need to write a lowercase j on the line. Remember, a lowercase j goes below the line in the ground. If you need to pause the video so you can write your letters, remember you can do that on your screen in the bottom left corner. They gave you a lowercase I. You need to write a capital I, nice and tall. There's a lowercase s. You need to write a capital S, nice and tall. There's a lowercase p. You need to write a capital P, nice and tall. They gave you a capital V. You need to write a lowercase v on the line. They gave you a lowercase w. You need to write a capital W, all the way very tall. They gave you a capital Y. You need to write a lowercase y. Remember, a lowercase y goes below the line into the ground. They gave you a capital H. You need to write a lowercase h. They gave you a capital O. You need to write a lowercase o. Make sure it's smaller than that O. They gave you a lowercase r. You need to write a capital R. They gave you a capital U. You need to write a lowercase u. Remember, it should be smaller than that one. They gave you a lowercase e. You need to write a capital E. They gave you a capital X. You need to write a lowercase x. Remember, it needs to be shorter than that one. They gave you a lowercase a. You need to write a capital A, nice and tall. They gave you a capital F. You need to write a lowercase f. They gave you a lowercase q. You need to write a capital Q. They gave you a lowercase d. You need to write a capital D. They gave you a lowercase z. You need to write a capital Z. Now remember, if you don't remember how to write some of these letters, there should be an alphabet chart somewhere in your classroom. You are welcome to go over and look at how to write the letters when you're writing yours. When you're done, please turn it in.